Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create an if statement with two conditions in Airtable. So here's our example table. We're going to create a new column that will be our formula column. Scroll down here, select formula. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say if status is to do and the due date is today, then 1 in this formula field. Otherwise put a 0. And what that is essentially saying is we're looking for all tasks where the status is to do, not done, and the due date is today. So all tasks we have to do today that are not yet done. So let's get started. We'll put if, two parentheses. Now the structure for an if statement is first there's a condition, then you put a comma, then you put the what happens if that condition is true, and then you put another comma, and then you put what happens if that condition is false. So first the condition, but since we have actually two conditions, we have to turn two conditions into one, and we do that with an and statement. So and, then two parentheses. Now inside the and statement, we'll put condition 1 and then condition 2. So the first condition is that the status field, so to write our status field, we put status, and we put that inside the squiggly brackets. We say equals to, and we want to look for the status that is to do. And now we put a comma. Now we put our second condition, which is that due date equals, and there's a function called today, which will just return today's date. There we go. We're going to move to the outside of the parentheses for the and statement. There we go. So we have if status equals to do and due date equals today. Then we have to say what we're going to do next. So if that's true, then we want to input into our formula field 1. Otherwise, if it's not true, we want to put 0. And let's create that field. And there we go. We can see that make infographic on peanut butter and jelly. Status done. Its due date is today, but it's already done, so it gets a 0. Here we have something that is to do, publish PBJ post on Instagram, still to do. But the due date is tomorrow, so also gets a 0. Here we have a tweet about PB&J with infographic. It's to do, and its due date is today, so it gets a 1. And here's something which has blank fields, so it gets a 0, just as expected. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.